I accidentally cut the thermostat wire that leads from the inside of my house to the AC unit outside. I spliced the 3 wires, red/white/green, together but still can't get the AC to kick on. I've read that I might have blown the step-down transformer, but I don't know where that is located to replace it.
Hello and thank you for using JustAnswer. My name is. Hope you are doing well today. Is the indoor unit a gas furnace?
I believe so.
Okay, go to that gas furnace and pull both doors off if it has to. Once off, locate the furnace control board. On that board there may be a low voltage car type fuse plugged right into the board. Let's check there first. If no fuse is on the board, grab me the model number and I'll dig into where else it may be.
Okay, gotcha. It's in the attic, so there is a chance I'll die. I'll make sure my wife tells you what happens though. It's like 900 degrees up there. Smile.
Ouch. That's no goo.
Ha. Be back in a minute. Hopefully.
Sounds good.
Good news and maybe not so good news. I found the unit and opened the doors. I'm uploading the photos now. The bad news is I noticed the green wire was not being used in the red/white/green grouping. I originally thought I cut the wire because I saw the green wire separated. The red and white wire had already been spliced but were in rough shapes, so I respliced them. Let me get you the pictures. The AC originally turned off because the thermostat turned off. I assumed it was the batteries because it was giving me a low bat warning. I connected the red and green wires to turn the fan on to rule out the thermostat being bad, but didn't get anything.
The green wire can hook to G at the furnace and the thermostat, then when you set the thermostat fan switch to on, the circulating blower can run. So you can move air without cooling or heating.
It doesn't turn on when jumping it or turning it on the thermostat.
It won't if a fuse is blown.
http://iDottinger.com/pqp4p9s.jpg.
Did you grab the model number as well?
There's the unit. Ream Quiet 80. http://iDottinger.com/gftw9un.jpg.
The door with the window in it is where we need to be.
Yeah, we opened it up in the second picture.
The fuse is right in the lower left-hand corner of the board. It's purple and has a 3 on it.
You think that might be what blew?
Yep. Pretty sure I can see a black mark on it in the image. The metal filament inside will be smoked when you hold it up to the light. You may have an extra in your car fuse box if you have an older vehicle. Must be a 3-amp replacement though. If you don't have one, they are sold at most any hardware/home store. Yep, I zoomed into your image. It looks fried from my end.
Haza, it was blown.
So as long as you have no wires shorted out, when you change it, you'll be good to go. That is if it was working good before.
I'll run over to Sears and grab one, shouldn't be too long. Your help is much appreciated.
Not a problem.
It was working perfectly before. It isn't that old.
Good deal. Please let me know how it goes when you get back.
Definitely. How do I say you can have money over chat, huh? Oh, I see it.
LOL. It's a rating system.
Let me go replace it and I'll submit the rating. Be back soon.
No problem. If this doesn't solve it, we'll continue, but that's what this fuse is designed to do.
If it doesn't work, I'm going to start kicking people in the face.
Haha, glad I'm not near you. I know the feeling though. Grab more than one fuse just in case. We'll find the problem if it's not this. If this blew, it isn't likely that the short made it to the transformer.
Hot damn, it worked. We're saved.
Good deal.
What could have caused this to happen just in case it happens again?
If their wires were cut with the power on that, did it? The wires, sorry, typo.
It could have been cut. I'm not so sure now, but I'll just say that was it. Thanks for your help, bud.
Either way, you have cold AC again. Glad to hear it. If you ever need help in the future, please bookmark my personal link and visit me again. I'd be glad to help. http://www.justanswer.com/home-improvement/expert. It's Norm/. You are very welcome, my friend.
Sure thing, bud. I'm actually installing a mini split in my garage right now too, huh? I just might need your help again.
Sounds like a plan.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.